Since this is under a pound, so let's go ahead and put this on the scale. Since it's under a pound, we know it's gonna go first class mail. And first class mail has different cutoff points for price. Anything less than 4 ounces or less is gonna be a certain price. Anything 8 ounces or less is gonna be a certain price. Then you go up to 12, then you go up to 16. So since this is 9 ounces, this is gonna round up to 12. So we need to put in 12 ounces and use the 12 ounce price. So yep, this is gonna be 12 ounces. Let's go ahead and write that on the bag. I'm also gonna write some information here too. So when we package this up, we put the right shipping label on the right package. So this is just some additional information I'm gonna put on here to identify this package.